Breakthrough innovations in electronics come rapidly, and customers are now demanding this in their purchasing decisions. As a result, manufacturers and their design teams are under tremendous pressure to deliver more complex products on even more compressed schedules. To solve these challenges and reduce time to market, they must move beyond the idea of smart manufacturing to the real solutions it provides. The idea is to transform your operations by leveraging the latest technology innovation to make you a better producer. Because today, digital transformation is more than the implementation of some targeted digital solutions in separate parts of your enterprise. Where are you in this transformation? What's holding you back? Is it in the different systems that prevent design and manufacturing teams from collaborating effectively and efficiently? Like the highly automated yet very complex process of PCB assembly, or the box build process, where the manufacturing steps are more complex and the human operator needs more assistance? Or is it in the new product introduction, where you need to identify issues earlier to save time and reduce costs? And there is limited visibility between electronics and mechanical assembly processes, with no feedback to improve the design. The result is one team not having visibility to what the other is working on. To overcome these challenges, you must use innovative solutions to ensure seamless collaboration across all teams. The question is, how? The best approach must provide a single source of truth for collaboration, data sharing, reuse, and control. In this way, distributed groups can work together to improve design quality and accelerate new time to market. Because seamless collaboration between design and manufacturing teams means continuous improvement and faster resolution of manufacturing defects earlier in the process. And by connecting the silos between electronics and mechanical teams, they build the products right the first time. You will know what needs to be made, how and where to make it, and the resources needed to deliver better products faster. For Siemens, smart manufacturing is not just a concept or an idea. It's real solutions that deliver real results for manufacturers today. Envision the future of electronics manufacturing today with Siemens Digital Industries software. Siemens, where today meets tomorrow.